Hello, this is Bill Brown, and this is the Piano by Ear lesson for Singing in the Rain. And this is a late beginner level arrangement. Before we learn to play it, let me play through it for you with the backing tracks. And that way you can hear what it's going to sound like. And it will also give you a track you can come back and listen to and practice along with while you are learning this arrangement. At the end of the lesson, I will give you the tracks without my piano on them, and that way you can use them to practice and perform with. So here I am playing Singing in the Rain. This arrangement is 32 measures long. The first 16 measures make up what we can call the first verse. And let's start there. Here are its first 4 measures.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?